Okay, 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 okay.
Yahoo! Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Okay, 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 okay.
Let's go.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Bye.
Beedo, beedo.
Aha! Oh my gosh! Hey! Hey you! Hey, stop!
Let's go. Oh no.
Let's go. Ha!
Oh no. Oh no.
Help! Help me!
Okay, let's go.
Ha!
Okay, let's go.
Luigi hurriedly eats the strange mushroom. Let's start. The cutting blade is strong and sharp. Wherever the machine goes, the mushrooms are cut. Luigi is spraying mold-resistant spray. Oh, the garbage is still there. Why is there a mold? Luigi is on his way home. Too much garbage. Oh no! Can Luigi sleep on that pile of garbage? It's really polluted. And there are flies too. The neighbor is very angry. What if it rains along with the garbage?
The next day.
Who is it? Oh, who is this?
Is it mold? Luigi hurriedly eats the strange mushroom. That's right. Due to the high humidity from the rain, mold grows. Luigi struggles in pain and accidentally throws a flower pot at the neighbor. Oh, my handsome face! What are you doing?
I'm in pain.
If you're in pain, how is it related to me? Because you're too dirty.
I've always been like this. What's the problem?
It's okay, but you ate mold. That's right, it's mold, Luigi. Luigi tries to pull out the moldy mushrooms, but it doesn't work.
Hey, help me scoop up these moldy mushrooms. Alright, I'm coming.
Okay, let's go.
Paul quickly controls the excavator onto the road.
The mushroom destroyer is here.
Can the excavator scoop up these moldy mushrooms? Let's wait and see. It doesn't seem easy. Oh no! The mushrooms are growing even more. What to do with this type of mushroom? I wonder if Luigi has come up with a solution.
Hello!
Hello, customers. Which one will Luigi choose?
Okay, let's go.
Goodbye.
Bye.
It seems like this is a mushroom cutting machine. Let's start. The cutting blade is strong and sharp. Wherever the machine goes, the mushrooms are cut. Luigi is spraying mold-resistant spray. Oh, the garbage is still there. The neighbor helps Luigi clean up the garbage. Mario also lends a hand. Is Mario planning to clean the house? That's right. The house has too many stains. the house has become clean and fresh. Luigi needs to get used to this cleanliness. This type of plant is really dangerous. It's attacking everyone. Spraying the entire field with insecticide. The destructive worm's swarm has been dealt with. Now, this harmful mushroom, it needs to be treated from the roots of this plant. The Super Mushroom Battle.
Good morning. Good morning. Have a good working day.
Farmers quickly get to work. Oh, what's happening?
Why is there a rock here?
Be careful! Run quickly!
Oh no! This is not good.
This type of plant is really dangerous. It's attacking everyone.
Be careful, Hook. Dealing with mushrooms, that's my expertise.
And here is... Oh no! A worm! Ew! Green slime! Oh, green slime! It's so creepy!
Wait right there. I need a specialized worm treatment.
Okay.
A quick friend hits the road.
Hello!
This is exactly what I need.
Insecticide Spray Machine.
Thanks. I'm out of here.
You pesky worms, just wait!
Okay.
Let's get started.
Spraying the entire field with insecticide. The destructive worm's swarm has been dealt with. Now, this harmful mushroom, it needs to be treated from the roots of this plant. Where is Mario going? A pumpkin patch. Mario picks a mushroom nearby. Whoa! Planting the mushroom. Watering it. Wow! A giant mushroom! Impressive indeed! The mischievous ship. It's a cold day, and people are burning firewood to keep warm. The sheep are having a great time. Jump, everyone! Do these two sheep want to join in too? But their thick walls cover their eyes.
What's going on, Sheep? Look around.
A sheep accidentally disrupts the entire music session. This is probably the cause.
Sheep's wool. Uh-huh. We need a sheep shearing machine. That's a good idea.
Let's go. Bye.
Mario wants to lead the flock into the pen first, ensuring safety for the sheep and those around them.
Wait here, Luigi.
Luigi sets off to get the sheep shearing machine.
Hello!
Wow! Here's the sheep shearing machine! And what's this machine for?
All set. Let's go back. I'm back.
Let's see how the sheep shearing machine works.
Mario, hold the sheep tight. Hey, stop!
Huh?
You ruined my beautiful woolly coat. Oh, I'm sorry.
Focus, Luigi. The sheep must have seen everything clearly now, right? Jumping again.
Wait for me. We'll have a warm sheep wool clothes.
So, this is the wool pressing machine. Put the sheep's wool into the machine. What's next? Wow, a piece of sheep wool fabric. It's really thick and warm. Add another bunch.
Okay.
Now we have enough warm clothes for the Mario Brothers. Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, back off quickly.
Huh?
Thank you.
Bowser and the startling sneeze. Mario is harvesting fruits.
That's enough. You'll ruin all the fruits. I know.
Go!
Luigi sets off to sell the fruits. Mario is taking a nap at this hour? At Bowser's house, the watermelon field has been eaten by worms.
Oh no! Worms have eaten all my watermelons.
Bowser's stomach starts growling. Bowser decides to go in search for food. How clumsy! Here we go, bananas!
No one's around.
Bowser dives in and devours the banana plantation. Oh, Bowser sneezes! Mario steps into the garden.
What's going on? Oh, hey!
Hey.
Bowser, why are you stealing my fruits?
Oh, back off quickly!
The meat-eating plant almost attacks Bowser. Very dangerous.
My watermelons were ruined by worms. I'm hungry, so then why not plant pineapples? Luigi, I want to plant pineapples to help Bowser. What? Help Bowser? Okay then.
The pineapple seedlings are loaded onto the truck.
Hey, let go.
I'm here. Here are the pots of pineapple plants.
First, the fruit garden needs to be cleaned up.
Okay. Let go.
The excavator clears all the garbage on the fruit garden, even the meat-eating plant from the earlier. Now, let's cultivate the soil for planting. Does Bowser know how to take care of plants?
Wow, the pineapples are big and fragrant.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Help me bring the pineapples home.
Let's go.
Thank you very much.
The pineapples have been safely transported.
You guys are really kind. Thank you very much.
Bye.